Hello my friends, thank you for coming in and visiting me today. I would like to tell you about my channel and what I plan on achieving with it. My channel is going to be geared towards beginners. It may progress to more advanced later on, but right now it's just beginning stuff, beginning woodworking. I am a hand tool woodworker predominantly. I do have a bandsaw and a thickness planer. But everything else is hand tools, and I want to try to keep it. Oh, and a drill. But I want to try to keep things simple and inexpensive. Because when you start buying power tools and things like that, first the setup of the tool gets complicated, the prices gets really expensive, and unless you're a production shop, you probably don't need very many power tools. I've not used fancy table saws and things. I've used table saws, but not like the high-end ones, so people may argue that you might need that. Okay, anyways, I'll stop talking about tools, but I'm predominantly a hand tool woodworker. I am not an expert, so that's another reason why I'm going to start from as a beginning channel, as a beginner's version channel, because I've only been doing it for about 2 years, so there's tons of skills that I need to improve myself, and ideally I would like to become a high-end or a master woodworker per se, but that'll take time and I'm probably too old to get to that level anyways, but I want to improve. So I just want to kind of share you along my journey with you, and maybe teach you from some of my mistakes along the way. And I kind of want to, and the people I've learned from, I want to make sure I mention these people because they are who I appreciate, and I think you should check out their information. Paul Sellers, Bob Rozaieski, and James Wright are the 3 people that I really recommend checking out. Without the 3 of them, I probably wouldn't be doing woodworking, because I try to keep, I wouldn't be able to afford it, because a lot of the other people use expensive equipment and things like that, and I don't have that kind of money to spend on that stuff. Those 3 have shown that you can do a lot of things with very minimal tools. There are plenty of other woodworkers out there that make great videos and keep things cheap and expensive, I'm sure too, but without those 3, I wouldn't be a woodworker. So I thank them, and I hope you checked out their channels, and I'll leave a link down below. But yeah, anyways, I guess I'm rambling a bit. I'm not a videographer, and I will make lots of mistakes, so bear with me on that. But if this is something you're interested in and you might find interesting, please subscribe, and hope, I'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.